If you're new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna eat some poutine. I'm also gonna take my kids to see the little house. The little house is the shed that we bought and we're gonna have to install it in the backyard. Okay, come and join me, see the sceneries. My son is taking the video and I'm driving at the moment, so it's gonna take us 15 minutes to drive to get to where we're going. So guys, see the leaves and the trees are changing colors. It's turning into different colors because it's fall already here in Canada. Isn't it so beautiful? Look at the sky. It's also almost dawn. So anyway, nobody's driving on the road except for me. Okay, take a picture, ha?
Ang ganda
Picture?
Ang ganda ng
Little house. Come on, take a picture and video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're here at the food truck. We're trying to get some poutine for everybody except Peanut.
Where are we? A couple food trucks over in let's see here.
Where are we?
I think Curtis, Clarington area, just beside the Hamptons.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna see what type of exciting foods we're gonna eat today. So enjoy.
Peanut! This food truck is good.
Oh, shit, 整也会。那不值。How you did that?
Hey guys!
Mom, you want a chicken sandwich? Or you want tacos?
I already got the poutine. What do you mean?
Mom, we're gonna do a food crawl. We gotta try a little bit of everything, you know?
What else do you want?
I wanna try that chicken sandwich.
Okay, then do the chicken sandwich. I'm just sharing. I'm not eating it. Look, Mexicano Cantina. Small box. It's nice weather, but it's a little bit cold. Look at the sky. Say hi. Okay, take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Starbucks. Treat and Janlei's poutine.
Ooh.
And Arjan's poutine.
This looks amazing.
Wow, looks good. What about peanuts? What about peanuts poutine? No, I'll give some poutine to peanut. Thank you, Lord, for this food.
It's cold.
He's eating cheese. That's all you can eat, huh, Peanut? Only cheese, okay? It's enough for you. Okay, this is the best poutine ever. We almost finished half. It's so good. And the boys enjoying it too. You love it?
It's pretty good. Come visit it. Pretty
Friday.
good. It's so good. It's amazing. That's all I gotta say.
Poutine is their favorite, so
My favorite.
we got the good one. And my Starbucks drinks is grande latte with oat base, hazelnut, but decaf. It's a really good drink. You should try. Okay, he likes eating cheese. But he doesn't like the fries.
Fries are crispy.
You want some fries, Peanut?
The cheese fries do know. The gravy is just the right amount of gravy. It's not drowning, but
I don't think he'll eat it. Oh, you're gonna eat it? Oh my goodness, why are you eating that?
the cheese is pretty spicy.
No more, okay? You're gonna have a tummy ache, Peanut. Can't eat more. Wow, we didn't finish it. Let's take home now. You can't finish it. Look at these my cute kids. They're very handsome.
Yep.
Double trouble. You're recorded.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me.
Sit. Up, up. Back. Leg. Pa. Good boy, Peanut. Good boy. I don't have any more treat for you. Okay? Peanut, we're gonna do shorts. Look at me. Look. This way. Peanut. Peanut. You want some treat? Oh my god, when I said treat, you want it. Okay, you sit down. Sit. Sit. Okay, stay there. Peanut. Peanut, look! You're getting your hair cut. Oh my gosh.
He's
What a star.
smiling. He's smiling. He's like,
Hey. Peanut, you're like a star.
Okay, come.
Peanut. Hey.
Okay, hold these treats. No. You're not going anywhere. You're not done yet. You need to fix your butt. There you go. Patient with me now. Your bum, this side is not even.
Why? Why don't you just get it done?
Hold this. Just wash my hand. Come here. Come closer to me. I need that leg. Come. Right here. Mommy has it. Let's see. Right here.
Look, I have a
Treat.
treat.
Are with me. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You try to bite
Hey.
it. Sit down.
And you want some treat?
Good. Keep disrupting.
Look, a peanut, huh?
Look. Wait, you're getting a haircut.
Come.
Oh! You're getting a haircut. Look, 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 look. Oops, oops,
He
oops.
has it. I don't have it.
Look here, here. Here.
Come here. Stop. Don't move. Stay down. Your bum is not even.
You want this straight?
Yeah, see? It's not even. He says it too. See, Ate, you missed the spot. I know it. Your tail is not even. Come here. Come closer. It's all over the place now. That's right. Your bum is too fluffy.
Getting a haircut, Peanut. You're getting a haircut. You're getting a haircut.
Look at this foot. Mom, it's not helping. Doesn't he look cute? Come here. You still have so much fur on your foot. Why do you have so much fur on your foot? Uy. Hello. Make a love shout out. He's a jack of all trades. He used to be an elevator mechanic in the morning, and at night time, he's a carpenter. This dirt in the back. Little house. Mga leaves, oh. Ganda. Very beautiful. Because it is fall already. Oh, look at this maple bee. So cute. Ang dami. We're now almost done here. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.